Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this maple coffee table. I started off by gluing some pieces of maple together, and these will eventually become the legs. Unfortunately, all of the footage I have of building the maple top was lost, but here you can see me just trimming the edges to size. And here you can see the nice grain pattern on the top. The coffee table is going to be held together with dowels. So using some homemade jigs, I drilled all the holes. After assembling everything dry to make sure it fit together, I was ready to start gluing up the legs. I also decided to add a little arched beam between the two legs. So I glued two pieces of maple together and cut it out with my jigsaw. I used a router to break down the edge of the tabletop, and of course, spent a few hours sanding. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe down below. I attached the top using some simple hardware, and this will allow the top to expand through the seasons.